simple terms, the assertion
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California, Butte and Tehama. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for East Central Tehama County in Northern California, North Central Butte County in Northern California, until 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:34 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Butte Meadows, or 21 miles south of Mineral, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Butte Meadows around 3:50 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Mill Creek around 3:55 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California, Butte and Tehama.
you don't want to go there. Don't believe